Welcome everyone, today we're drawing Dexter from Dexter's Laboratory. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a straight line going across the top of the glasses. So we'll start on the left, going all the way across towards the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw a half circle coming down and then up towards the left side. Let's trace this eye along the inside, starting with the top, come around the bottom, and then back up. Now let's fill that inside area in black. Let's layer the nose and mouth on top. So we start on the right side, draw a straight line going across, angle this down towards the mouth, come down with an angled line, and then up. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and draw the outside of the eye, coming down, around, and then up underneath the nose. Now let's trace this eye along the inside. Let's fill that frame in black. Now we want to push the pupils over towards the left side. So starting from the top left, coming down and up. And the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go over towards the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down towards the ear. And we're just going to draw a half circle. From here we're going to go straight down towards the bottom edge of the body. Let's extend this up towards the top of the head. Now from here we're going to draw a swirl going across the edge of the hairline. So let's start up here. Coming down, swirl this around, come across. I'm going to add one more swirl, go around towards the outside of the hair. Let's pull this back around towards this point. So we're going to round this out, go across and then down. Let's add a couple hairs on the end. Now underneath the hair on the right side, draw a straight line coming down, come down towards the bottom, curve the chin, coming down and then in. Now just underneath the ear, draw a straight angle line coming across the collar. Let's go over towards the left side, draw a straight line going across the top of the glove, angle this down and in towards the wrist. And then we're going to add three fingers, one on the outside, add the second finger in the middle, and one more on the right. And then we'll draw two lines going up from the cuff. Let's go straight across in behind the hand, continue all the way over towards the right, and pull this up underneath the head. Let's draw a straight line, add an oval, and fill that in black. Now let's draw on the legs. Starting from this finger, angle this down and out, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's add a point, coming up and in, and we'll add the heels, coming down, and pull this up towards the middle. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the legs. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Dexter from Dexter's Laboratory. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.